Welcome, traveler. Tonight, your journey carries you to the hidden heart of the lowlands, where mist and light weave together in endless mystery. Here lies the Luminous Marsh, a place spoken of in hushed voices, half myth, half memory. Hidden deep within forgotten lowlands lies the Luminous Marsh, a realm where the line between earth and sky blurs into living light. Few have seen it, and fewer still believe it exists. The approach begins with winding trails of pale moss, carpeting the ground in silver green. At night, this moss glows faintly, as though reflecting the memory of distant stars. As the marsh opens, mist rises in drifting curtains. It does not conceal, but transforms the landscape, turning every shadow into a shifting form. The air is damp and cool, carrying the scent of minerals and strange blossoms. Some flowers here bloom only once in a century and release a glow brighter than fireflies. Across the water's surface float orbs of light. They hover like drifting lanterns, yet no flame burns inside them. Scholars have argued, are they spirits or natural wonders unknown to science? When disturbed, the orbs scatter into dozens of fragments, only to gather again moments later. Travelers say they behave like flocks of birds, choosing their own mysterious formations. The water itself is dark and still, yet deep beneath its surface run glowing currents, like rivers of starlight winding through hidden channels. Those who have gazed too long into the depths swear they have seen shapes moving there. Not fish, not shadows, but vast, luminous silhouettes, as if the marsh holds giants asleep below. Reeds line the banks in tall clusters, each tipped with feathery plumes that glisten in silver. When the wind blows across them, the entire marsh hums like a great instrument. The sound is low and steady, resembling a chorus sung by unseen voices. It has unsettled some wanderers, but most describe it as strangely comforting. The marsh's creatures are no less unusual. Tiny insects with translucent wings sparkle like shards of crystal as they dart through the mist. Their trails linger in the air for several seconds before fading. Small amphibians, unlike any catalogued species, climb among the reeds. Their eyes gleam like polished gems, and some can emit soft notes of sound, as if conversing with the glowing currents. In rare moments, stranger beings appear. Travelers speak of tall, cloaked figures, walking silently across the marsh's surface, their forms dissolving back into mist when approached. Others tell of ancient ruins hidden within the mire, half-sunken towers carved with unknown symbols. Their walls glimmer faintly, as if lit from within by trapped stars. Some believe these ruins belonged to long-forgotten people who once lived alongside the marsh. Others claim they are not ruins at all, but gateways waiting to open. Deeper one travels, the more the boundary between land and water disappears. Floating islands of luminous moss drift silently, shifting their positions from night to night. On these islands, strange trees grow. Their bark is black as obsidian, yet their branches drip with silver light that falls like liquid stars into the marsh below. The trees bear no fruit, but their leaves hum faintly when touched, resonating in harmony with the reed's eternal song. Legends tell of travelers who fall asleep beneath these trees and woke to find decades had passed. Others claim time runs differently here. Hours within the marsh may equal days outside. The sky above is no less strange. At night, stars appear brighter here, yet they shift in unfamiliar constellations, as if the heavens themselves are reflected differently. Some astrologers whisper that the luminous marsh is not part of our world at all, but a fragment of another realm, anchored imperfectly to ours. During rare alignments, the sky above the marsh is said to split, revealing hidden stars that cannot be seen elsewhere. They burn with colors unknown: emerald, violet, and molten gold. The marsh's reputation is mixed. Many fear its shifting lights and endless silence, yet others revere it as sacred ground, a place where reality is thinnest and wonders step through. There are stories of pilgrims who entered the marsh seeking visions. Some returned with strange markings glowing faintly on their skin. Others never returned at all. Despite its mysteries, the luminous marsh has an undeniable beauty. Its light is not harsh, but soft, as though the world itself is dreaming aloud. For artists, it is a place of endless inspiration. Painters who claim to have seen it struggle to capture the living shimmer of its waters. Poets fill entire books with fragments of its song. And still, the marsh refuses to be known completely. Every visitor describes it differently, as though the place reveals only what one is meant to see. Perhaps it is alive, not merely a landscape, but a being with moods, thoughts, and a will to guard its secrets. Or perhaps it is older than both, life and death, a remnant of creation itself, where light and shadow first learned how to dance. Whatever the truth may be, the luminous marsh endures, silent, shifting, a world within the world, forever glowing at the edge of imagination.